Hey everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of conditional execution. Let's explore how this concept works and its various applications. Conditional execution is a programming concept where a set of statements is executed based on a condition. It allows for decision-making within a program, enabling different actions to be taken based on different conditions. This is often achieved using conditional statements, which evaluate whether a certain condition is true or false before executing specific blocks of code. There are various types of conditional statements, including if statements, else if statements, and else statements. These statements provide the flexibility to handle different scenarios within a program, making it possible to create dynamic and responsive code. Conditional statements are widely used in programming to create interactive user interfaces, validate user input, and control the flow of a program based on specific conditions. They are essential for building robust and intelligent software that can adapt to different situations.